Hi everyone, it's Brian. Um, Sorry if there's a bit of noise. I'm at a coffee shop, but it's a bit quieter than my current house noise levels. So sorry for any noises like that playing up there. So the title of my text is "Essentials of Eating Healthy: A Guide." This is for a ninth grade health class, and it's going to be on a nutritional article. So to begin with, I'd like to question right away this stance that states that the dangerous oversimplification has helped launch dozens of largely ineffective diets and the development of thousands fat-free but calorie-laden foods. So so I just wanted to question like what they were questioning about how these fat-free diets, they claim that you'll lose weight. Um, and low calorie foods, calorie laden foods. So from my experience, I just know that you do need fats, like the healthy fats, in your diet. um, you want to stay away from saturated and trans fats, but stuff like polyunsaturated fats are the way to go. So that's something that I would question with the class too, as that poses a great question. For a vocabulary word, I saw that one that stuck out was the high density lipoprotein, um, or the HDL, which is known as a good cholesterol. It's the healthy one because I would help explain to them that the HDL picks up the cholesterol in your blood and takes it to the liver, where it's broken down and removed from the body. So for a text itself, a sentence that I would bring up is these extra carbohydrates were largely in the form of highly processed grains. So we pretty much talk about how, uh, like it said, carbohydrates were just increased. Um, so we would just want to ask, connect it to themselves and ask how, are they you eating like highly processed grains, which takes away the nutrients and some of the fiber. So I connect that and have them connect that part of the text to themselves. For text to text, pretty straightforward sentence that said the quality and amount of fats, carbohydrates, sodium, and other nutrients in the protein package may influence long-term health. So I just thought that was an important inference because it's just very informative. Because people are just like, oh, just gotta eat my protein. A lot of diets are just protein based, so just hearing that, like, that you also need your fats, carbohydrates, and sodium for these proteins to work together and in the long term, uh, and give you better long term health as well. Some info that I feel like you can connect to the world would be a statement that said, although they do not have a blanket anti-cancer effect, fruits and vegetables may work against specific cancers, including stomach, lung, and colorectal cancer. So, that's just something universal that tells us what fruits and veggies can do, and how people all over the world can, in a way, help prevent cancer from, eating healthy by eating fruits and vegetables. Alright guys, I'll wrap it up. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.